Welcome back to another video with Learn French with Queen. Okay, this is the first time you're seeing my video. Do well to give it a thumbs up if you find it useful. Do share to loved one and do subscribe. And if you have subscribed, I say a big thank you. On today's video, we'll be looking at our possessive pronoun. So do well to check out my previous videos on pronouns and the reflexive pronouns. But in today's video, we're looking at our possessive pronouns. So what are possessive pronouns? Just as the name implies, possessive pronouns. So they are the pronouns that takes a possessive form in French language, just as we have in English. Like you say mine, it is my car. The car is mine. Okay, it is your mom. It's our mom. So those possessive pronouns are what we're going to look at in French language. So let's start. Okay, so these are the possessive pronouns that we have in French language. So we have them in the masculine form, the feminine form, the masculine plural, the feminine plural, and the English form. Okay, so we have the masculine form, which is masculine singular, as le mien, which means mine. The feminine form is this way, la mienne. So the feminine form has a double N, then an E afterwards, unlike the masculine has just M-I-E-N. So the feminine form is this way, M-I-E-N-N. So that is the difference between the masculine form and the feminine form. And so we have the masculine plural, which takes an S at the back, and we have our definite article to be le. So we have, for the feminine pronoun, we have le mien. So the normal mien is taking an S plus the article le. That is to show to us, to prove to us that it is more than one. It is the plural form. So this means mine in French language. Okay. So we have yours in French language. So we have to be le tien for the masculine, and for the feminine we have it to take double N as well. This way. So we have le tien, la tienne. So that is the difference between a masculine singular and a feminine singular in French language. And we have the masculine plural to be le tien and the feminine plural to be le tien, which means yours. So I think we can see the regularities between the female, the masculine. The masculine rather, the female, the masculine plural and the female plural. So how the endings are, so that we don't get confused. And this means yours. And this yours is actually referring to someone you have a rapport with, or somebody that is younger than you are, or your age mate. And this other yo here is used for an elderly person, or when you are talking to a group of persons. So don't let us get confused. So let's continue. We have le sien, which means his. It is his own. It is our own. Okay, it's okay. So this is how we say it in French language. We have it as le sien for the masculine, la tienne for the feminine, and we have le sien plural masculine, feminine plural. We have it as le sien, and we have the English form as is, at, or its. Okay, so we have as in French. It is a. So we have as in French language, like saying it's our house. It's ours. Okay, so we say that this way in French language. We say le not, la not. So note, this possessive pronoun in French language for the not is taking a cap on top this way. Okay, so that's what makes the difference between this and a regular not without anything on top of it. So let's be conscious when we see this word in French language. When you see the ones with cap on it and the one without cap on it, and you're wondering what's the difference between the two notes. So that's the difference. This is for our possessive pronouns, and this is just the normal usage of our. Okay, so we have our singular form doesn't have a specific way of writing this for our masculine plural and for our feminine plural. So you can use le both for the masculine and for the feminine plural. And so we have it like that for the three forms of our singular form. So note, for the plural form, we have them to just be these three. So these three. And our singular form takes this 1, 2, 3. So our plural form takes this 1, 2, 3. So this is how we have it in French language. So we have this yours to be for an elderly person or a group of persons. So we have le vote. Note, excuse me for the mistakes. We have them with the cap on top. So this is differentiating it from the normal vote that we used to have this way. Okay, so this is for the masculine le vote, la vote, and le vote. And we have it to be yours. And we have theirs. So we have it as le, la, le, and le, which means theirs. So let's look at how we can make use of them in words, since we now know our possessive pronouns. For example, we have something like voilà ma soeur, voilà la mienne. Okay, so this is the noun in the context with our adjective. So this ma soeur is being replaced by our possessive pronoun to be la mienne. Instead of having repetition, instead of saying voilà ma soeur, oh voilà ma soeur aussi. Au lieu de le dire ça, you just replace it by saying voilà la mienne. So here is my sister. Another person say, oh, here is mine as well. So voilà la mienne. Okay, and it is according in number and in gender. So because sister is on the feminine gender and singular, we have it as la mienne. Okay, so now let's try another one. Puis-je emprunter ton vélo? J'ai perdu le mien. Okay, so now what we are looking at here in this context is le vélo. Okay, this is our noun and our adjective in front of it. So it is being replaced by our possessive adjective le mien. Okay, so instead of saying puis-je m'emprunter ton vélo, j'ai perdu mon vélo. So instead of having repetition, so you can make use of our possessive adjective, our possessive pronoun rather, this way. And so we have it to be j'ai perdu le mien. So the person understands that, oh, he lost his own bicycle as well, or his own bike as well. Okay, so we have our ton vélo to give us le mien. So we are looking at the noun, the object, the what the action is taking place on, and not the person that is performing the action. So when you want to use your possessive pronouns in French language, not all the time that you are going to consider the person that is speaking. In fact, in most times, you don't consider the person that is speaking. You only consider what the action is on. Okay, we have another one. We have mon crayon est vert et le sien est bleu. Oh, okay. So we have it that my pencil is green and yours and is rather, because this is third person singular and it is of a masculine gender. So my pencil is green and is blue. Okay, so instead of saying and his own pencil is green, you just have le sien est bleu, is blue. So we are making use of crayon here. So that's why we have it as le sien. So we have mon crayon, which is of a masculine gender, and so we are saying et le sien est bleu. So why we are having le sien is because we are referring to crayon, which is of a masculine gender, and his own pencil as well. Okay, so we have it that way. So now let's look at another examples. We have different forms of examples, but we just look at just to touch a little bit. So we have j'ai acheté mes skis en Italie. Pierre a acheté dash en France. Okay, so now what will be changing, that will be replacing here, is our this. We have our noun and our possessive adjective here. So we have the make it. We know that, okay, now we want to identify to let us know which of our possessive pronouns we'll be using. So we know that our kit is of a masculine gender and we're having it in the plural form. So we we have it this way. J'ai acheté mes kits en Italie. Pierre a acheté les tiens. So when we say j'ai acheté mes kits, first of all, this is what we are referring to, and this is what wants to be replaced. Mes kits is what is going to be replaced. So note that now we have mes kits is a plural and kit is a masculine. So our masculine plural for this person will come this way. It will be les tiens, and is. He bought his kit in Italy, and Peter bought his in France. Okay, so now we have la maison est en Paris. Votre maison est à Rome. And we have la vôtre this way. Est à Rome. La vôtre est en Rome. So this is what we are looking at. Votre maison. So we know that maison is of the feminine gender. And we know that this is the second person plural. This is second person plural. And so we have it this way. La vôtre. Rome. So my house is in Paris and yours is in Rome. Okay, so these are few out of so many examples how we can apply our possessive pronouns. Okay, so I hope now you understand how to replace your noun, the adjective that is preceding your noun, with a possessive adjective. Okay, the use of my, is, ours, theirs in French language. Okay, so do well to engage by the comment section. Let me know what you have to say as regarding our possessive pronoun. Okay, so I'll be glad to meet with you and to reply you at the comment section. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do share to loved ones and do subscribe. See you till my next one. Au revoir.